Alright, what is up guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to another episode of the Panigale V2 series. God, this twin is so fun, man. So today we're going to be deleting some mirrors, doing the NRC mirror block-off kit and the front signals, and then we're going to be putting the single seat cowl on the back, which is going to be really cool. And we're going to be hooking up to the software. Rory said there's a software update. We actually forgot to do it in the last episode, so we'll do it in this episode, and that's going to be it. After that, we're going to be putting it on the dyno, and then we start the exhaust. So I'm so freaking excited. Those are going to be previous or upcoming episodes, but don't forget you can enter to win this bike over on our Patreon page, just patreon.com/Campisi Customs. We're giving away this 2021 Ducati Panigale V2 along with a 2020 Ducati Streetfighter. You don't want to miss out, guys. This is the first time I've ever done a two-bike giveaway, and it might be the last because it's very expensive. I spent a lot of money on this giveaway, so if you guys can help support the projects, I really appreciate it. So yeah, that's what's going on today. It's a beautiful day in Southern California. I'm going to enjoy my ride over there, and I'll check in with you guys when we get down there. All right, we just arrived down at Santa Barbara Ducati, meeting up with Rory. He just pulled this guy off the lift. A beautiful 2019 Monster 1200R. Look at how gorgeous that thing is. He drives an AMG Mercedes as well. So he put some AMG stickers on there.
Remember, Ducati did have an AMG Diablo.
Oh yeah, they did have an AMG Diablo.
Yeah, so
that's right.
For those who want to argue,
why are you putting AMG stickers on there? Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of history.
Yeah. I love the Terminioni pipes. Yeah, that's gorgeous. All right, so here are the two upgrades for today. NRC, you guys saw these in the last video. The mirror delete front turn signals. So we're gonna be taking these off. And since they have the integrated turn signals, we're gonna delete the mirrors, put the turn signals right there. It's gonna be perfect. And then this is really freaking cool. Check this out. I got this, ordered it here from Santa Barbara Ducati. This is an official Ducati accessory. Check it out. Thing looks so badass. So this is the single seat cowl for the rear. Look at that. See that shit, Roy?
Yeah, very cool.
How cool is that? And this thing is super light, and this seat is not. So I think between these mirrors and getting rid of that rear seat, I think we could save at least 2 pounds today, maybe 2 to 3 pounds would be my guess. So yeah, look at how beautiful that is. What an incredible shape. I love that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, and I think we're gonna toss it onto the computer real quick too to see if there's a software update. Okay, so we got it plugged in to the DDS system with the new Euro 5 plug, and then we're gonna run the scan. We might not actually be able to do anything until it hits that 621 miles, and all it's really gonna do is just unlock the rev range, which is, it's already unlocked. It just prematurely shows a red line when it's not there. So I just wanted to see if we could get rid of that if possible, but it looks like we don't have any.
No, we're all good on that.
Yeah, so I think we're all good actually for now until we get the first service light, and then we can turn that off, which will turn off the premature red line, or not red line, but you know what I mean? Like when it gets to 7,000-8,000, it turns orange. It shouldn't be doing that until later on in the rev range, if that makes sense. So I think we're all good with the software. We'll be good to put it on the dyno in the next episode, which makes me very happy. Okay, so we're gonna start with the back first. Rory already took the seat off. I'm gonna keep all of this stuff to send it along with the new owner. Next thing we need to do is take off these side pieces because it's a single piece that fits all the way across. So I think there's a screw or two up there and then 2 down below. Okay, so this should be the last screw that we need, and then this all comes off as one piece. I didn't even realize that. Look at that. Boom. There you go.
That's the inside shit.
That's the inside stuff. Do we need to keep that?
What?
Will we have to transfer that over or no?
No, because all one piece, that's what that tampon
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Interesting. All right, I want to weigh all that stuff actually. I want to see if, oh yeah, that's super cool. But it doesn't have any of that.
No, it doesn't need, because that's where the seat goes.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna weigh all this because I bet you it's a pound lighter or 2 maybe. Okay, so we got all of the stock stuff on there. And it is a little over 2 pounds. And don't forget, in the last video, we saved 4 pounds removing the passenger pegs and the stock tail fender. So, rear fender, I should say. So, yeah, a little over 2 pounds. We'll see what the other one was. Okay, and then we got everything else on there, the new stuff. And it looks like saving a pound. A little over a pound, actually. So, I'll take it. Okay, sliding a new guy on there. Look at that. That is beautiful. What happened? Greaser on up. Grease that puppy up. What a beautiful tail section, man. It looks so naked right now. That, isn't it funny? Just that piece right there makes such a big difference. Yeah, dude. This, I think, by the time we do the tail tidy, the mirror delete, the passenger peg removal, and the single seat cowl, we're gonna be probably like 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 pounds already, just with 2 simple mods, or I guess 3 technically. But look at that, boys. Look at that. That is beautiful. I'm gonna give him a hand. All right, she's on. That is beautiful, huh? Yeah. So for the Streetfighter, I would have ordered one of these too, but we have the whole carbon subframe coming, which is built in. This is built into it, so it'll be the same look on the Streetfighter, but it'll be carbon, and then obviously we'll paint it too. But yeah, that looks really, really good. So we're just gonna repeat the process. Is it 2 bolts underneath and then 1 or 2 up top, something like that? There's none up top? No. Oh, because it slides in instead.
We should have measured these 2.
Oh,
like,
oh yeah, we saved even more weight. That looks freaking badass, dude. All right, putting the seat back on. This is when you're really gonna see how good this looks. We also put that section in there. That's fucking badass, dude. That is
like we're talking about off camera there. There's nothing like Ducati performance parts.
Yeah,
you pay for
you
it.
do pay.
Complains about, but it looks classy and it fits properly.
Yep, and like I said, some of the best motorcycle designers in the world are designing the parts. So, yeah, there's a reason why it looks so incredible.
From our point of view, from a technician point of view, is when, you know, a lot of the time everyone wants to buy that cheaper stuff or the different stuff, and it takes forever to put on, and it's frustrating for a mechanic to do.
Doesn't fit right.
This stuff, we have recourse, and it fits really well.
Look at it, dude. It looks so cool. I love how they extended this up here, like that extension right there. Makes it look like a Star Wars TIE fighter or something. So freaking cool, man.
It's like an RS.
Sick. Yeah, it is.
We can talk about there's going to be an RS in the country. There is an RS in the country now.
Yeah, and we know who.
A V4 RS.
We know who's racing it.
And it will be racing.
Yeah.
Very soon.
Fucking badass. All right. Next we're gonna do the mirrors. Right. Delete these puppies. Cool. Okay. First thing we're gonna do is
suss it out, bro.
Suss it out.
Suss
the
it
old
out.
sussing.
Well, look, they're asymmetric, and there's nothing worse.
That is weird. They are asymmetric, yeah.
All right, now we know.
Yeah, we got them on the right sides.
So we don't have shit dangling around. We know what we're doing.
How much weight do you think this is going to save, Roy?
He's actually kind of heavy.
2 pounds?
At least a pound.
At least a pound?
Yeah.
Pound and a half?
We've got to weigh those.
Oh yeah, so let's weigh these first. All right, got the new turn signals on there. I don't even know what to call that. A 1/4 pound? We'll call it a 1/4 pound with cheese. Okay, so in order to remove these, 2 screws underneath?
Yep.
And then you got to unplug the connector. And then do you have to fish it through?
Yeah.
Fish it all through. There you go. And you don't reuse any of this, or do we? The rubber pieces? They're right here. I don't know which. I don't know which side. Oh no, this has a piece on it. I wonder if you reused any.
No. We were just using it as is.
Yeah, I think because they put that foam on there for that reason, right? Okay, cool. Okay, so
these washes kind of matter.
First thing he did was fed it through the connector, and then we do have the bottom piece that we're gonna reuse from the stock.
Keep it clean, but
yeah,
these spaces from the original.
Oh, really?
That's gonna fill that gap up.
Okay, I didn't even notice that. That's why we pay you the big bucks, Roy.
That's why I do notice these things.
You just notice everything.
What's important? We talked about before on.
That'll help it sit flush, huh?
Well, it won't pull it down.
Oh, nice.
It'll pull it square. So if you didn't have those, you could, in theory, bow it up.
Oh, interesting.
Like that, and you fucking crack bearings and you load where it shouldn't load.
That's cool. That actually looks really nice. Look at that. And it blends in with the black too, so you almost don't even notice it. Look at that. That is super. Oh my god, I love it. So my thing with bikes is I always want to get everything that's hanging off the bike just off. off the bike. So like mirrors, fenders, all that bullshit. Oh yeah, that's a good point. Testing that out. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. That looks really good.
Look on the front too.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it doesn't from the top side.
So it's not annoying you. Yeah, but it is nice because you can still see it as a.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's.
At night they would freak you out.
They would. Yeah. They make good stuff, man.
Well, I appreciate when someone thinks about it design.
Yep.
It matters.
Look at that front end, boys.
So who's this? NRC?
NRC.
Good on you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Good on
I know.
You.
And they're American made too.
America.
Yep. America. Put an American flag on that bitch. On our Italian bike. All right. Got the stock mirrors on the scale. And just a little over 2 pounds, so I'm calling it 2 pounds. 2 pounds of weight savings with the NRC mirror block off integrated turn signals. Boom, which like I said, puts us at about 7 pounds from these mods already. And man, does it look fucking sick, boys. I can't wait. Little things, you know, all the little things. Can't wait to, I'm gonna paint this thing red. Actually, I might even look into getting an Öhlins rear shock for this. You think that would make a difference, Rory? An Öhlins, yeah.
I'd say a TTX with the ratio adjuster.
Yep.
Make it.
And I can still paint that, right? Powder coat it.
It'll be easier as well.
Yeah. So I think I might see if I can get one of those for that. That'll be really, really nice. Carbon for this.
Progressive or direct.
Yeah.
So if you, it's just like in the street.
It's gonna be sick, man. This bike is gonna be badass. Carbon for all the black pieces. Got some radiator guards coming. Do the exhaust next after the dyno. It's gonna be sick, man. This is gonna be a really good bike. Like, it's funny, a lot of people who have hit me up, even people at the shop are like, all the bikes you've done, I wanna win this one. I'm like, really? The middleweight Ducatis. Really popular bike? It does look really good. And it's so nice and easy to ride. All right, let's check them. Here we go.
Yeah.
That looks badass. Yep, there she is.
Looking from the inside of the cockpit, it's just so cool that it doesn't light that up.
Yeah, it is. It's nice that they did that, huh?
Yeah. It's bright on the outside, really.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Won't be in your face at night.
Huh?
That's fucking sick, dude. Guys, we were just looking over the bike and we were looking at the license plate here and we're like, what the hell happened here? Look at this. It melted the license plate. People ask me if these bikes get hot. Yes. yes, they do. So we're not gonna replace it because when we do the full system, the titanium.
Look, it's right there.
Yeah, that's how it used to look. How funny is that? But once we do the tie system, titanium dissipates heat a lot better than stainless steel does. So it won't do that anymore. But that's
the full system will be running retro.
Yeah, exactly. It won't be as hot.
It won't be near hot.
That is hilarious. Okay. I just want to show you guys real quick off the lift how she looks. Just so much cleaner. And we actually have a smoked screen that's a little bit higher coming too. All these parts are from Manny at Moto Million. You guys know the drill. But man, it looks good. The single seat cowl in the back looks so clean. Yeah, it does. And having those rear pegs removed, signals gone, looks really good, man. That's a good looking bike. When we're done with this, it's gonna be a really, really good bike. You could track this thing, you could daily drive it, whatever you want to do, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I love not having mirrors. I don't know why. Well, for lane splitting in California, it just makes it so much nicer. Man, this thing fucking handles so well. I actually might be able to feel the weight loss. Damn it. All the way up on, because it's up so high. 7 pounds up high off the bike like that. Yeah, it feels pretty fucking good, dude. Yeah, I love that. And you can't even see, like, you can kind of see, it's actually kind of nice because you can see if you leave your turn signal on. I guess you can see it there too, but yeah, this thing looks fucking awesome, man. Such a good bike. We were just sitting there staring at it. Me and Heath and Rory. That's the one thing about Ducatis, man. They just look so good. You can just sit there and look at them, you know? Every single piece of the bike is engineered like a piece of art. It just looks so good. This is one of my favorite little curvy sections of road right here. Except there's always like pedal bikers on it. It drives me crazy. Oh, there you go. There's one right there. Oh yeah. Such a fun little section. Man, this bike is so fantastic. You can still have fun. Don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out. Oh God. That happened to me the other day, guys. I didn't tell you. When I was riding the Monster 1200, on my way home, I was like a half mile from my house. A van pulled out in front of me and I almost died. I locked up both brakes. Well, ABS kicked in, and the lady ended up stopping pretty much in the middle of the road, and I had just enough space to go around her at the last second. Oh man, I thought I was gonna die. I haven't had a close call like that in a long time, so man, I was like, Jesus. People turning left, you always got to be very careful of. Look at these guys. God, it's such a good bike. But yeah, I think that's about it, guys. We got the NRC front mirror block off turn signals installed. Got the single seat cowl in the back. Looks freaking phenomenal. Next episode, we're going to be going to jet tuning, putting this bad boy on the dyno, finding out how much horsepower it makes in stock form, and then we're going to tear into this thing, do the exhaust, and things are going to get nice and fun, dude. That's when the build's really going to get fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to be entered to win this bike or our 2020 Streetfighter, check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. If you enjoyed the videos, give them a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in the